Hello guys, today we are in Park Royal Hotel and we have here Perfect Install Edward who has just completed the installation of the new Pioneer XPRX speaker. So this place is about what? 150 packs the capacity. And what have you installed here?
I installed a 10-inch one pack, 15-inch one pack, and there's two 12-inch at the back, both sides, left and right.
So actually we did have a sound test. Surprisingly, what do you think of the sound?
It's quite amazed that this 10-inch actually covered very big space and it's like the main of the whole area. So wow, it's really impressed me a lot. Because normally I would put the 12-inch as a main, but this time around because of the look, so the 10-inch over here, that's really impressive sound.
So if you guys want to know where is this is in Park Royal Hotel, Club number 5. Go check it out.
The Express is suited for a wide range of genres. With the user available DSP functions, it can really push the boundaries to any application, any format of music intended. Express series incorporate Pioneer Pro Audio's sound engineering and quality design with reliable, energy-efficient power from PowerSoft amplifiers, all encased in a wooden portable enclosure.
Kind of everything that we were promised about the Express, which was the amazing sound and the awesome reliability, has been proved.
AFAS technology is eliminating standing waves. The reason why we do this is because standing waves is cancellation, and we want all of the energy going forward from the cabinet and without the cancellation appearing.
Whilst our rooms are only small, the Express speaker manages to fill that space with a very, very high-end balanced sound, and as well provides us plenty of headroom to make sure that even when DJs turn it up, they're not cranking the speaker beyond its limits.
The power and performance of the PowerSoft products are outstanding. Reliability is one of the most concerned factors for anyone buying an active loudspeaker. They want to make sure that amplifier is going to last the test of time.
数多くある、オーディオブランドの中でエクスプレスを選んだ理由としては、世界的な DJ 機材のスタンダードであるパイオニア DJ 製である信用性、また野外イベントなども考えているので、過半性に優れているエクスプレスを選びました。
We've had 6 months to really trial these things in anger. It's a tough environment, 24 hours a day, and these things, to be fair, in the 6 months we've used them, you know, we've not had any problems with them.
The new range of Express are mostly suited to areas where mobile DJs are just on their own. They need something they can lift and manage themselves, but also have the same reliability and power they wanted from a larger system.
The reason I love this system so much is it's extremely manageable. Sometimes I have 2 events in one day, so it's very important that my setup and my pack down time is streamlined. I think the Pioneer Express speakers help me with that process to load in and out and set up and tear down very quickly.
一言で表すとですね、革命的だなって、思いました。ちょっと僕もですね、今まで、数々のクラブで、オペレートをさせてもらってきてですね、今までちょっと聞いたことのないレベルの音のクリアさ、透明感っていうものを感じましたし、そういう点で僕は革命的だなというふうに非常に思いました。
So the sound achieved in the Express series is actually down to its DSP modes.
Gives you the opportunities to change the sound. You can go from a very flat sound to a kind of bass heavy sound depending on what sound you're trying to achieve, but also customers who want to can take the speaker off the stand, pop it down on the floor, put it into wedge monitor mode, and actually then use that as a floor monitor as opposed to a speaker. So it gives customers a diversity in terms of its use as well.
Say, for example, you know that you're using your speakers for a situation where someone's going to give a lot of speeches. Right on the back, there's a control that you can use that indicates vocals. That kind of emphasizes the mids and highs to bring clarity to your vocals. Those configurations in and of itself are, in my opinion, very advantageous when it comes to being a mobile DJ.
On the Express series, we have a 7-degree tilt and a 0 degree. The 0 degree is a standard pole mount position, But adding a 7-degree tilt, if for example the speaker's on a tripod and it's really high up to reach to the back of the room, the tilt will enable the high frequency to be directed where it needs to be. There's not a confusing matrix or anything on the back of the speaker. It's simply 2 inputs. You can switch between the 2 versions, or you can have both running simultaneously. So a live microphone plugged in and also RCA feed into the other side. You have 2 individual channel pots and also a master mix, so the master will be controlling the main attenuation of the speaker itself. We needed a subwoofer which was slightly lighter weight than the 215, but also not compromising on the actual sound it can deliver. And this 115 driver is absolutely outstanding. The performance of this sub in terms of the acoustic space is amazing. We've enabled the crossover filters to stretch the subwoofer frequency range to meet the demands of the application, as well as adding a phase reverse switch on the subwoofer as well. So we really tried to make it as easy as possible for users to really get the show running, but to a high level.
Since trialing the Express speaker, we've very much seen it stand up to the kind of grueling expectations that musicians, DJs have when they're coming into a rehearsal studio to use them.
エクスプレスを導入した前と後で変化があったところは、まずお客様の滞在時間が伸びたところにあると思います。また、音にこだわりを持っている外国人のお客さんのリピーターが増えたところも多くあります。
I've had as many as 3 events in one day where I had to set up and take down and load it and load out. Pioneer makes that very easy for me.
このお店を見に来てくれる DJ さんにも、僕と以前仕事をした時にことがある、DJ さんでも、まずこのお店音がいいじゃないですかっていう話から始まったりとかして、そのくらいやっぱりエクスプレスシリーズはいい製品なんだと思います。
Not only were people impressed by the fact that we had the CDJ2000 Nexus 2s with the DJM900, now they were starting to talk about the fact that this club standard gear is being complemented by club standard speakers.